This video explains stress analysis example 11 resonant analysis of church bell. The resonance frequencies and vibrations of various resonance modes can be analyzed. First, obtain the project file from the example topic in Femtet Help. Opening the file directly will cause an error, so please save it first and then open it in Femtet. Check the settings for the analysis space. Model unit is meter. Analysis space is 3D. Check the analysis condition settings. Stress analysis is selected as solver. Resonant analysis is selected as analysis type in stress analysis tab. In resonant analysis tab, the number of modes has been changed from the default value of 3 to 6. Let's review the modeling procedure. The History tab in Body Tree records the drawing history, allowing you to review the drawing steps by using Undo and Redo. In this example, the History tab shows that the shape of the bell is created by drawing two spheres and cylinders and using the Unite and Subtract commands. Check the body attribute and material constants. In this model, bell is set as body attribute, but the default values remain unchanged. And 008_copper from the material database is set as the material constant. Check the boundary conditions. No boundary conditions have been set for this model. The resonance analysis will be performed in a completely unconstrained state. Run the measure and solver and review the results. Once the analysis is complete, you can verify the resonance frequencies of the 6 resonance modes from the table results. Since mode 0 and mode 1 are degenerate modes, they have the same frequency. The same applies to mode 2 and mode 3, as well as mode 4 and mode 5. Please refer to the following instructions for viewing the displacement animation for mode 0, mode 2, and mode 4. Note that we have adjusted the speed and interval settings for animation playback to make the animations run faster. Be sure to save your project when saving the analysis results. That concludes this video. Thank you for watching.